Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best retwist for your locks, okay? So if you're interested, just keep on watching. What's good, hoodie? Okay, let's get into it. First things first, I'm starting off on some very dirty hair. I haven't washed my hair in 8 weeks. That was the last time I did a retwist, so my hair is in some super need of some TLC. But first, I want to get into the products that I'll be using today. So I'm going in with this cleansing shampoo that I use twice. Then I follow up with a moisturizing shampoo that I only use once. I like to use this scalp massager just to really get that scalp nice and clean. This is the gel of my choice, 10 out of 10 recommend. And then I'm going to go in with this moisturizing oil along with this aloe vera water. And I like to put it in a spray bottle mister just because if you know, you know. Misters changed the game, okay? And this rose water, I love it. Smells delicious. And then I use the prongs just to clip my hair down when I do my retwist, and a rat tail comb with a metal end, okay? So I'm starting off with some freshly washed hair, trying to show you guys that my hair looks nice and clean. The scalp is dirt free. And yeah, so before I start my retwist, I like to go in with the aloe vera water. I like to spray it on my scalp, spray it on my locks, just to add that moisture back in there after I just stripped the dirt and oils that was naturally in there already. And then I go in with some rose water. I like to moisturize that in my scalp, and then I like to moisturize my hair with some coconut oil. I run that on the shaft of my locks, and then I also run that on the scalp of my locks. Usually I have like the little oil bottle with the long little nozzle, but in this video I didn't use it. I just used my hands, but it's all up to your preference. So here I'm just showing you guys what I'm starting off with. I did the back of my hair off camera just because it was going to be a little hard, but I had a couple different styles in mind. I didn't really know what I wanted to do. Comment down below what you think I should have did. All these styles I did show you guys, I never even did anyways. I was going to do the one with the barrel twist going from the back of my head going up, but it was a fail. My hair is not long enough for that. I was really hopeful. Anyways, this is what the back of my hair looks like. So now we're going to get into the front with it. Okay, purr. So you see how that part is like non-existent. We're going to fix that right now. So first things first, I like to go in with that rose water just to add a little bit of moisture back to my hair because it dried up from the beginning when I first did it. Then I like to just run that through my hair, and then I try to work on that part. Try to get the parts as crisp as possible, but without adding any breakage to my hair. Once I get the part to my liking, I go in with my gel. That's about how much I use on this certain section. I'm a little heavy-handed. Y'all know that if you've been on my channel for a while. And then I like to go in with just a little bit more just to put it on the top. And then once I do that, I am going to take my rat tail comb, and I'm just going to smooth that product in until it's seamless, okay? And then once it's seamless, then I'm going to start getting into actually doing the retwist. So I separate each lock, and then I kind of try to define that part a bit with the rat tail comb. I say use a metal rat tail comb because it's a lot easier to find the parts and get into it, baby. Yeah, you see it. Yeah, you see it. Okay. And then after that, I'm going to go in with just combing it through before I actually retwist it. And then I like to retwist my hair going clockwise. And then you see that little excess hair there. This is a certain method I like to use when I just twist it all the way down the hair of my shaft. The shaft of my hair. Oh my God. I said that backwards. Okay. And then I like to do the locksmith method just to really make sure that junk is palm rolled in that lock and get into it. You see how crispy that bad boy looks? Okay, moving forward, I like to clip it. You're going to clip your hair the opposite direction that you twisted it. So then I move forward to the front. I wanted to show you guys how I do the front to get all them edges inside of that lock, okay? You're going to grab each little hair, make sure that you have enough gel so that it is nice and sleek, twisting it counterclockwise, and then once I do that, I'm going to do a little bit of a palm roll just to make sure all the hair is in there. Get into it, It's nice and crispy and juicy, okay? Then I'm going to go in with my clip, and we are going to clip these two locks together. Make sure that it's nice and secure until it dries. And then once I'm finished with that, I just repeat that all over my head. I got my locks. Like, I did this retwist in about like 3 hours. That's the fastest I've done it so far. I would usually take me quicker if I was doing it on somebody else's head, but because I can't see the own back of my head, I have to use a mirror and all that shenanigans, okay? So I'm just doing the same process. Spray it with the rose water, add that gel on there, smooth it down, take the comb, smooth it in, making sure it's seamless. And then I get into trying to find those parts. As you can see with this one, my hair definitely got like morphed together. So I gently, it may look like I'm being rough, but I gently pulled it apart. And I'm just trying to find that part again. And, ooh, yeah. Doing your hair is such a workout. My arms were burning, okay? I did not go to the gym that day for sure. All right. So again, twisting counterclockwise and then doing the locksmith method, taking that excess hair and twisting it down the shaft of the lock and then clip it down. And I just repeat those same steps. So I'm going to show you on another example and then I'll be back when we get to the end. And she is all done. So I finally finished my hair and I wanted to take the clips out just to show you guys what it looks like before I try to style it. And yo, get to it. The hang time, it moves. Get into the parts, get into it. We're gonna get a little zoom in action. Yo. Okay, period. And yeah, this is the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button. Comment down below what you think and hit the subscribe button so you can get more videos like this. I love you guys. Stay sexy. Glow gang, you already know. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace out, Girl Scout.